the clutch, and you see it's automatically going backwards. It's still in neutral. It's right now in neutral. So my wife is holding this camera from the back seat, and I'm making sure that all safety precaution is in place. We can see here right now it's in driving mode, and I'm moving this to neutral, and my leg is on the clutch. As I release, this car will start going backward, and I'm releasing the clutch, and you see it's automatically going backwards. It's still in neutral. It's right now in neutral.
This is about 35 minutes drive if you are heading from Mississauga city center area, and usually those who drive around this area first go to Badland, and I made a separate video on this. You need to reserve a parking when you're going to Badland, and after viewing this, or Folk of Credit Provincial Park, which is also nearby, you can see here, usually people go to see this place. I actually had a hard time finding this place myself, and in fact I saw many who had come just like me trying to figure out, and they went back even without knowing where exactly this is, even though Google Map shows the location. So there is no obvious markers telling you park here and this will happen. So to save you from guessing, I have made a simple guide. First, the address is correct. This address you can copy from the description, or you can just enter this address on your Google map, and that will be fine. The only catch is that this spot is easy to miss. It looks pretty obscure, but if you follow along with me as I show you on Google map, you're much less likely to drive right past it, and without any waste of time, you will exactly go to the place where this entire thing happens. As you approach on this road, this is the location it shows. Let me click here, and you see here, as you come ahead, you will find this 60-kilometer speed limit signage, and as you go ahead, there is this road here which goes on right side. Let me take it closer. This is where I had stopped my vehicle facing towards this unpaved road. You can see here, this road is not having any asphalt. So this is where the vehicle was facing, the way this truck is. And once it was stopped here, the vehicle was put on neutral, and that's when it started to go back. So as I said, there are no markers here, and that's why people were trying to figure out. I asked one gentleman where the location is exactly, and he said, I haven't heard of any place. I have lived all along here, and I have only heard of Magnetic Hill. So once you park the vehicle here at this intersection, and you put this on neutral, the vehicle will start going backward. This road is not a gravity defying road. It's just that because of the optical illusion, even though you see the road as an upward slope, it is actually not, and that's why when you put the vehicle on neutral, the car goes reverse, where it is actually not an upslope, but to your eyes it will look like an upslope. It is still a fun. You go and try, and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.